So hi guys, let me tell you how you can get lock screen depth effect in your Samsung Galaxy phone like this, or like this. So to get this effect, you need to do is go to Play Store and search for depth. Wait, you just search for depth wallpaper. Once you search it, open this and then select on this. Download this and open this app. If you want to allow, you can allow the notifications and then select whatever you want. Like let's select this one, set as wallpaper, set as lock screen, and I think it should be done. But as you can see, we're still seeing this widget of clock. So to get rid of this, all you need to do is go to good lock module, download Lockstar, click on this clock widget, scroll down from here, select this, and then make this clock transparent. So as you can see, this is now transparent, and you can select it from any style. Like select this style and then make it as small as you can, then this, then done. And now your wallpaper should be working. As you can see, it's working fine. So you can select lots of, there is so many type of lock screens you can do, some paid, some free, like this, and you can set them as wallpaper also. So if you like this video, click subscribe and share it with your friends, and I'll see you in next one.